Make a great choice today with the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. Your new ride is just a phone call away.